last question of this chapter, question number 20. The sum and product of two numbers is 12 and 35 respectively. What is sum of their reciprocals? Okay, so here in given section, sum of number is equal to 12 and product is equal to 35. To find sum of reciprocals. Solution. We know that sum of numbers is 12. So what we will do? Let first number is equal to x. Therefore, second number is equal to 12 minus x, because x plus second number is equal to 12. So we can obtain second number by subtracting first number from 12. Okay. Now what we have given, that product of this number is 35. So we can write here 12 minus x into x is equal to 35. We will give here justification given. Okay, so therefore minus x square plus 12x is equal to 35. Therefore x square minus 12x plus 35 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this 35. The sum will be minus 12 and their multiplication will be plus 35. So we will factorize it as 7 5s are 35. So 7 plus 5 12 and 7 into 5 35. So we can write it like that. Therefore x square minus 5x minus 7x plus 35 is equal to 0. Therefore x is common, remaining will be x minus 5 minus here 7 will be common, in bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 7. Now here if we consider one number as 5, another number will be 7. So we can write first number is equal to 5. Therefore second number is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate sum of reciprocals. We know reciprocal means we have to put these values at denominator. So reciprocal of 5 will be 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to LCM will be 35. Here it will come 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 upon 35. So our answer will be 12 upon 35. Okay. So students, we have completed our lesson number 1's all examples given in MCXI book. Hope you have understood all the solutions. If you think that this video is important to you or this is somewhat helpful to you, please like, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press bell icon to get notification of all the videos, because we are going to bring all the solutions of MCXI chapter by chapter for you, which will help you for your RIMC preparation. Thank you.